Why you stuck in your life? Why some people are very successful, not you are? If they can, as you can, why not? I will give you 4 tips which is helps to make you successful. I will give you 4 key points which is they follow and become successful personality. These points helps to convert desirable person into a deservable person. Remember one thing: you will get what you are, not what you want. First, you have to be a deservable person. So first point is learning. Everyone who success in their life, they learn a lot. यो हुन सक्छ त्यो तपाईको स्कुलबाट, कलेजबाट एन्ड मेनी अदर्स मेडियम. लर्निङ भनेको मात्र स्कुल कलेजबाट आउने नलेज होइन. यु क्यान लर्न wherever you want, reading books, watching videos, training, seminars, etc. Learning is your fuel, which is helps to accelerate you. यदि तपाईको इन्जिनमा फ्युल नै छैन भने how you do accelerate? For accelerate, you have to fill fuel in you as much as if you want to do, or you have to be a great personality. All who success in their life, all are very good learner. According to Warren Buffett, who is the one of the richest person in the world, the most important investment you can make is in yourself. So learning is very important in life. Learn every day. Learn about your passion. Learn about your interest. If you are learn, it is the best investment what you are ever done for your future. Next point is passion. You will see a quality in every successful people. They are passionate about their time, their decision, their dreams. They passionate about their works. It is a golden statement. Nothing is as important as passion. No matter what you want to do with your life, be passionate. Michael Jordan is god of basketball. He told in his interview, if I cannot follow my passion, I can't become god of basketball. Passion is not your desire. It's very different from each other. Passion त्यो होइन कि जुन तपाईको फ्यामिलीले चाहन्छ. Passion is your burning desire. Feel from your inside. This work is for me. That's why follow your passion. Michael Jordan basketball को लागि passionate नभएको भए सायद हामीले god of basketball पाउँदिन थियौं होला. Passion is the key of your inside. It is leads to you as normal personality to a great personality. सायद passion बाहेकको काम गर्दा after some time we feel bored. As a result, we cannot be master in our work. Next point is attitude. Your attitude is everything. Your attitude decide what you do, what you will get. Who change their attitude with the situation, he will be winner. He win. I tell you a very interesting story. हामीले सुन्दै आएको छौं सानैदेखि. तिर्खाएको कागको स्टोरी. जब त्यो कागले पानी देख्छ र पानी पिउन पाउँदैन, त्यसले आफ्नो एटिट्युड चेन्ज गर्छ. त्यसले यो भन्दै बस्दैन कि I cannot do, I am very tired, etc. Crowd change his attitude like be a solver and he drink water. यदि त्यो कागमा सल्भिङ एटिट्युड नभएको तिर्खाले मर्थ्यो होला. What is your attitude? तपाई घुँडा टेकेर सक्दिन भन्नुहुन्छ कि as I can भन्नुहुन्छ. Your attitude decide you will be successful or not. Sometimes you will be positive or sometimes negative. Both are important, but it's depend on situation. What is your attitude will be executed as a winner or a loser. Next point is focus on your strength. You have to focus on your strength. जति पनि सक्सेसफुल छन् यो संसारमा, like Jack Ma, Jeff Bezos, even every business personality or star of this world, they focus on what they have. यो सोचेन कि जब मसँग perfect plan हुन्छ, perfect situation हुन्छ अनि गर्छ. They focus on what they have. Jeff Bezos is an employee. He leave his job and start a company from small garage of online book selling. Now he create his a big empire. As we know, it is Amazon.com. If he think that मसँग न लगानी छ, न त राम्रो अफिस, न त proper knowledge र planning नै, how can I start? Then सायद यो empire खडा हुँदैन थियो होला. हाम्रो एउटै मात्र कमजोरी छ, हामी एक्सक्युज दिन्छौं. मसँग यो छैन, त्यो छैन, but we have to start. Start what you have. It will be convert your dream into empire. So focus what you have, not what you don't have. So अहिलेसम्म हामीले सिकेको कुरा सम अप गर्दा यस प्रकार छ. Number 1, you have to invest in learning. Number 2, be passionate. Number 3, your attitude is everything. Number 4, focus on your strength. So भिडियोले के हेल्प भयो भने like this video and comment your opinion. It's important for us. यदि सब्स्क्राइब गर्नु भएको छैन भने do subscribe and hit the bell icon. Click all for more knowledgeable videos. Share this video in every groups and social media to everyone who connected with you. Thanks for watching this video and lots of love.